Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix fetching data error on World War III on Windows PC. Before getting into the complicated methods, the first thing you should do is restart your computer, then relaunch World War III and see if the problem persists. Method 1. Check World War III server status. Visit the official World War III Twitter page, then see if there are any announcements about maintenance or system upgrades. Also join the World War III group on Discord to receive the latest game announcements. Method 2. Disable IPv6 and using Google DNS. On your keyboard, press Windows key or then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right-click on your internet connection and pick Properties. Uncheck on Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. After that, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses option, then type 8888 and 8844. Now, tick on Validate Settings upon exit. Click OK. Click OK. Once done, relaunching World War III and see if problem is fixed. Method 3. Flush DNS. Press Windows key then type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and pick Run as administrator. Now, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig registered DNS and press Enter. Type ipconfig release and press Enter. Type ipconfig renew and press Enter. Type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. At last, restart your PC and check if the fetching data issue is resolved. Method 4. Temporarily disable or uninstall third-party antivirus software. Most security suites will allow you to do this directly via the tray bar icon. Simply right-click on your antivirus icon and look for an option that allows you to disable the real-time protection. If you don't know if you are using third-party antivirus software, then press Windows key then type Windows Security. Select it from Result. When Windows Security is opened, then select Virus and Threat Protection. Now, click on Open App. At this point, third-party antivirus software will be opened, then disable the real-time protection. In case you don't know or can't disable it, then temporarily uninstall your third-party antivirus software. Once done, relaunch World War III to check whether the issue has been fixed. Method 5. Disable in-game overlay. To do that on NVIDIA GeForce Experience, go to Settings, then you will see in-game overlay. Just disable it. On AMD Radeon software, go to Settings. After that, go to Preferences. Look for the General section of Preferences. There, disable the switch named In-Game Overlay by clicking or tapping on it. On Discord, go to Settings. Scroll down and you will see Game Overlay. Click on it, then disable it. On Steam, go to Settings. Select In-Game. Uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Method 6. Power cycling your router and modem. Unplug the modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the modem back into the power outlet first. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on your cable modem to become green on, then relaunch World War III to check whether the issue has been fixed. If after restarting your router and modem the error still appears, then try connecting to another network, such as neighbor's Wi-Fi, mobile data, public network, etc. Finally, if all the above-mentioned methods do not help you fix the timeout error in the World War III game, then you could try uninstall and reinstall the game. That's it, guys. Hope these help you. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks.